Hello viewers, thus we are going to learn many features and many programming skills on PHP. Today we are going to discuss a new feature of PHP which is called trait. Trait is a solution of a problem in PHP. It's usually PHP don't carry the multiple inheritance. It is overlooked in a solution. That's why PHP introduced a solution to overcome this problem is called trait. It's as like as a class but could not create any instantiate like a class. It just only share or reuse the group of function as like as we reuse the function of a base class. It's a just horizontal composition, not the vertical composition. PHP can do the multi-level inheritance, not the multiple inheritance. Okay, that's why we are going to implement a trait in the class. So this is a piece of code where I have tried to show the implementation of trait with two classes. So number one is base class named base and have a function text print with echoing just only hello. And then another function class is child class. Child class just extend the base class here. Okay. And the syntax of declaring a trait here is trait, the blocked code. Just only write the trait keyword with a name and the bracket. I already told that it's as like as a class and have a function named text print and it inherit the function of a class. Just text print. Text print is a function of this. Okay, it's another type of inheritance, but not here, just here. Use my trait. Name of the trait is my trait. So all the code goes here. You know that inheritance means virtually all the codes of the parent class will be available in the child class. Also, it's applicable for the trait. Okay, is use trait. Okay, this call this trait and with the function. This is text print and this another class. Another function of text print, which is of the parent. The parent is base class. So another text print function is available here. Okay, and at the end we create an object of the child class and call the text print. The text print will be called here and here it calls the text print hello. Then after that also printed. Yes, trait will be printed. That means we're going to check in the browser Okay, it's already opened here. Yes, hello trait. The sequence is first print it, second print this trait. This is the sequence. Okay. Now we can reshuffle the code to show that overridden of a function like that. It's the same, just yes, this trait with this. Hmm. Straight. Okay. Ignore the base class. Just have a class child and use it. Uses that my trait. This in function text print also trait on this function the same name. Sorry, same name. We print hello child and it's also print hello trait. Okay, what will be output? It's hello child. We call the text print. The text print is available here, also available here, but the output will be got from this function. The output have got from this function because this function is overridden. This function will override this function. First we call the trait, this function will call, and this function is called. This is a sequence of code. This function text print is last one, and the last one is override the first one. That's mean the output we will get from this function. Clear? I think it's more clear to you. This is the trait in PHP. Mind it, it's as like as class, and it gives you the reuse of code, reuse of group of code as like as a function, but sorry, as like as a class, but we couldn't inherit multiple class at a time in PHP. That's why PHP introduced the trait, and we call the trait using the use keyword in the name. That's simple thing. Okay, and there is lots of thing we can do with trait, but today I want to stop here. We will discuss more and more and later. Thank you for being with us.